Oh, do you want your water?
You want some water?
Show us how you drink your water. You know that's not drinking your water. You're ornery. Daddy said you wouldn't do that if he had you. You know you're getting a bath tonight now, huh? You're soaked under that. Dude. No, you can't have that. Now let's show them how messy you are. Want to take this off? Because you're going to have to get... Hold still. Brody. What is that about? It's soaked. Nobody can tell that. Let's see the front of your shirt. Are you wet? Well, you can't tell because essentially the whole thing is wet. Yeah, you want that off now, huh? I bet you do. All right, one more time. Show us what you do. We really shouldn't laugh at this. You can't get water out of it that way, dude. Here. One more time. One more time. Show us what you do. Get as much water as you want. Okay, maybe just one more. You drank it all and you couldn't have any spit out.
You drank
That's
it.
what you're supposed to do. Okay. Tell Daddy you love him. Giving your cup away? Thank you for sharing. Okay.